Today we'll be flying with Era 5 and it's basically waterproof. I used Flyvo thing. I will leave down in the description what exactly I done. I already sometimes crushed in the snow, but anyway, we'll see. Let's see, let's arm the drone and let's get up in there. And as you see, this is a river. I mean, I hope that I'm standing fine. And there is a chimney. I'm telling you, I'm not, how to say, I'm not feeling very well the sticks. So let's go a little bit under the bridge. The good thing is that the river is frozen. It's not good, but at the same time, I mean, some nice video. There is someone probably was swimming. So, but there is the thing in cold weather. In cold weather, there is the thing. I'm not feeling my sticks at all. I mean, I'm flying like I don't know what, because I'm telling you, with the gloves you can't. Let's go a little bit lower. Nice. I want to do the power loop around the bridge, but I'm telling you, I'm not feeling the sticks. I have no idea how they are. So that's me standing like a fucking idiot in the cold weather. But I like it. I mean, I assumed that I could go way further than this. Nice. And I will not be risking to take off the gloves, because if I will take off the gloves, I will be fucked. Someone stopped near me, so there is an issue now. So we'll see if they will go or no. I'm not sure who stopped there, but I think they left. I'm not sure. So I assumed they just was curious what the fuck is happening. So, because unfortunately in Bauska, and this is old factory, which I think the chimney is way too short to actually dive it, I mean. And that is the thing, I'm not feeling the sticks, so I want to make the power loop around the bridge, but how to say, I'm a little bit scared, because as I was telling that I don't feel the sticks. So, but as you see, this is really nice thing. And cars is passing, and of course they are curious, like what the fuck, guys, speaking with himself, and Let's try the sort of a power loop or some, no, split S. Split S is nice. And in general, I mean, flying in winter time is quite nice, but I'm telling you, the problem is that it's fucking cold. I mean, if it would not be cold, it would be nice. Let's try to go somewhere here. Nice. And as you see, someone was walking on a river. I mean, nearly hit the ground. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, I think now I'm flying now like 5 minutes and it's still 3.5, I mean. But as you see, okay, it's okay, I will be landing, so let's come for the landing. I mean, someone is coming. I'm not sure who it is. Some guy is passing, so never mind. Here we go. I will tell you so that flying in winter is so fucking epic. I mean, I still have some batteries, but my fingers is already, I will just put this one on the side. So I hope you enjoyed some bit of I hope you enjoyed some bit of Latvia. So it's freezing. I mean, anyway, anyway, I will try to make some other videos as well. I still have like a week here, so, and we'll see. But I'm telling you, if you are trying to fly in winter and if you are outside, I mean, make sure that you have warm gloves or something. Second thing, remember that your battery will be showing that it's lower than it actually is. Now I was flying till 3.5, 3.40 something, and I bet when I will go home and the battery will be warm, it will be showing like 3.7 at least, if not even 3.8. So that is another thing to remember when you are flying in winter. And before you fly, exactly, try out the Flyvo thing for waterproofing, because that will save your ass a lot of, and I'm telling you, I just sprayed it on all electronics. And if you basically, first thing when you are building, just spray it on each separate stack, and then when you finish the building, just take the spray and spray it all over the electronics from the side. And don't worry, even with the 04 Pro unit, nothing will happen. So, and then if it's crashing on snow, just do nothing, just take off the snow, leave it to dry, and everything will be fine. So I'm just wondering, there was some cars passing which was like sort of a little bit suspicious, let's say so, which was stopping and checking something. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Till next time, till some next video. I have some friends which is as well doing some winter drifting, so that is another plan which I hope that we'll manage to do next week, and that will be as well some nice video. Anyway, thank you for watching. You know what you need to do, and I will continue flying. Until next time, bye.